this party.
Hey guys, Raxy back here with another video. Today's video is on Pixel Gun, and we are going to review the solar ray rifle UP2. And so you can see I'm recording on my iPad and I'm recording with QuickTime. So yeah, we're going to go into a match now. So yeah, I have gotten this the solar ray rifle in a long time, but yeah, I decided to get a review because I have gotten it, I think like I have had it like 6 months. So I am playing Pixel Gun, but I'm still not the best at it. So we're going to go into this match in like silent school, because these laser type of weapons is better in like close range maps. Okay, so yeah, we're going to find some people that is going to die. Where is that? Okay, there. Like that. Okay, we're killing some people with it, but it got like, I can just see it has a lethality on 24 and a fire rate on 98, and like it's just keep firing, but it's a laser type of weapon. It's like, yeah, it just keeps doing that, and the capacity is really good. It's 45, yeah, and the mobility is also okay. So yeah, we're going to go in another match, because this match there's not really much people. So yeah, we're just going to jump into one here if I can find one. Okay, we're looking for some close range maps. That's in like school or something. Here, school with Lunar. I think it's going to be a no kill match this, but I am going to ruin that, because this is a game where you don't, okay, it isn't a no kill match, but you don't like do no kill, because this is a shooting game. So yeah, whoa, I killed that. But it is really good, this gun. So yeah, but it does cost I think like if you buy this one, you could just see the one that you get on sale, where you get like yeah, 300 gems. This one, because yeah, because it costs, I think, just a good amount of gems to get it fully maxed out. Because if it's not fully maxed, it's like, it's not the best, can I say. So yeah, but you have to hold this wisely, because you do run out of ammo really quickly. But that's the new update, like fixed that, because now you get a decent amount of ammo when you die. So yeah, and who is called Taco? That's not a good name, or it is, but no, that's just not me doing that. We're just going to find someone here. See, you can just kill a adamant, but that adamant got the prototype, and that is also a very good gun. So yeah, oh, double kill. I'm going to jetpack out of here. No, I'm just going to go in here. Is there just going to come back after this. I'm coming back. So yeah, I will see you. Okay guys, I am back. So I just got a call from my dad. So yeah, but I couldn't get it. So yeah, turret, no, I'm not doing that in a review. So we're just going to find some people to kill. They're going to kill these ones. These nuts. Got you. Where is everyone? Are they just out here? Out loud. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. There's someone behind me. Okay. He killed me. Just act like that never happened. Oh. What? Why is everyone killing me? Okay. Here. Can I get a double kill? Why am I not winning this? But this is a really good gun. I would recommend it. Just go out and get it. So yeah, but I think you need like if you will want to know the like almost exact number of gems you need to upgrade this fully. I think it's like 280 gems or 290, 282, like 310. But you get some good things about this. But I would recommend like the vacuumizer over the solar ray rifle because it's better. It was just in the back days where the summer update just came out, like in 2014. It was there this came out, and this gun was very OP. It could kill everyone in like a second, or like I think 3 or 4 seconds could it kill a ruby. So yeah, and that was really much in that like back days, because ruby in the back days was like the Adamant. So yeah. And just a tip, don't get the mines launcher. You're just going to get hate, because the mines launcher is just really annoying because it has a glitch where if you spam it, you get like a shield in front of you. So yeah, can I get the duck hunt kill? Or I couldn't. Okay. See, like the mine launcher is just too OP. So yeah. Who is sitting turrets? I'm going to kill that turret or destroy it. Yeah, I destroyed it. Yeah, buddy. But this is going to be it for this review today, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Good.